reception and welcome to Tuesday's learning. Okay, so let's crack on with our sounds for today. So when I hold up the sound, I want you to say the sound and then we'll sing the song and perform the action. Are you ready? Ooh, lions love lollipops. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wonderful. And it's important to say ooh and not l. Well done. Ooh, excellent. How about this one? J, 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 j. Jelly beans are jumping. J, j, j. Good. It's j and not j. Well done. We're all really super at remembering these, aren't we? Okay, here we go. We're going to tickle the bottom of our lip again with our teeth like yesterday's. We have a Val has a violin. Oh, tickly lip. And finally we have this one. To give you a clue. Throw the snow. Oh, oh, oh. Wonderful. Okay, so there are sounds to practice today. See if you can spot them when you're reading your books at home. Okay, so hopefully yesterday you had a watch of the number blocks number 16 video. And what did you see? We learned that 16 is a square, isn't it? It's another square number. Wonderful. So we're going to move on from, we're doing so well at adding our numbers together and finding all the different ways so far. We found all the different ways of making 5, we found all the different ways of making 6, okay? And we're going to have a go at thinking about all the different ways of making 7, okay? So I've got some dinosaurs. Now what I want you to do is use your toys. Always use your toys because it's so much fun learning using your toys, okay? And I want you to see whether you can get your grown-up to make you, well you could actually, do you know what? If you cut some string, you could make a circle using the string and you could make a really big one of these without needing to draw it even on a piece of paper. And then you can use your really big toys, okay? So maybe that's an idea. Get some string or some wool, cut the string or wool, make it into a circle and make a really big whole and part model, just like this one, okay? So you have one circle at the top and then you have 2 circles at the bottom and then we have a line connecting them. And this helps us to visualize all the different ways of making a number, okay? So for example, if we were going to think about making the number 8, okay, and number 7, okay, you would have count out 7 of your toys. Okay, I'm going to turn my camera around so you can see. Okay, bear with me. Woo! Here we go. So here's your model, and you would count out 7 of your toys. 1. Oh, he fell asleep. 2. There you go. Wake up. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, I'm going to one that tumbled out, 7. So I've got 7 to start with, and now I'm going to think, how can I make lots of different ways of making 7? So I could put 2 dinosaurs in here, and then I could move these dinosaurs over to here. He's fallen asleep again. He's very sleepy, isn't he, that one? Okay, so let's count. And why have I lined them up? Because it's easier to count. Here we go, ready? So I've got, my number sentence would be 2, 1, 2, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 add 5 makes, how many altogether? 7. Well done, because we started off with 7. Now, if you've had a go at this at home, amazing. What I'd like you to do to challenge your brain is try a 3-part model. Okay, so you start with the same number, you start with your 7, and then you would separate them. I'm going to move this one from underneath. Gosh, Mrs. Sharp needs to be an octopus and have more hands. Here we go. So I've got my 7, and then I think I'm going to think of the different ways of making 7 by adding 3 numbers together. So I could put 2 in here, I could put 2 in here, and I could put 3 in here, and then I can say my number sentence. 2 plus 2 plus 3 makes 7. Okay, wonderful. So why don't you have a go at that at home? I'd love to see some photos. Gosh, my hand looked really big then, didn't it? Right up against the camera. And that's your learning for today. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.